Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We're going to show you some really cool stuff. A lot of you have asked, what do you do if you have plastic in your car? You've got some trim in there that's been marked up, scratched up, or anywhere on your car that there's plastic that has a mark or a scratch. Something like this right here. Or something like this. That right there. Now listen. Well, take your 99%, clean it up. Then you'll take your awesome razor blade and you'll take our special putty that will be in the... Tell him, Julio Cesar Chavez.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Take your razor blade and you go over your scratch just like this. I like to use a razor blade. You can use anything you want. I'm going to show you something really cool here. And you can do this a couple of times if you have to get the scratches filled. All right, these little scribe marks that I made right here, they are completely filled. Because I was using a hacksaw blade right here, I scuffed it across here and it scratched it. Look at those fine scratches are filled. Now here's another thing. If you're doing curved surfaces like this and you have a plastic spatula, you can go over your curved surfaces. Watch this. You pretty much don't even have to sand that down when you're done. But on flat surfaces, a razor blade works really good. Brand new one, you can't use a used one. That's what I'm trying to share with you. Look at those fine scratches are filled. And the scribe marks are filled. And the hacksaw blade mark is filled. Once that dries hard, you'll be able to hit it with your 5000 grit, just barely go over it. And then, like I said, clean it with your 99%, then go over it with your prep spray, repaint it, and you're good to go. That simple. And the videos for the painting of plastic will be listed in the tools area, so you can go there and find out how to paint plastic. I'm not going to use any water due to the fact that the scratches that this will put on there are quite smooth. Of course, you would tape this all off if you're going to sand. And you can use water if you want, but on this, if it was clear coat, it'd be a different story. And you'll sand it down until you can't feel it anymore. Once you do that, then you'll spray your plastic prep on. It needs a little more sanding, but I'm not going to keep doing that because that's what you'll do. It's that simple. Now we'll take our 99%, go over it real quick. Try not to touch it, whatever plastic you're doing. Let that air dry. See how quickly it goes. Now because this has been painted already and we're not doing it on just plain plastic, I don't really have to use the prep, but I'm going to do it anyhow. After you do that, you just wipe it off. Then you take your super duper air nozzle and spray it to make sure that it has no lint on it. You can fill scratches, chips, holes in your plastic. After you do it, yes, you'll have to repaint it with your paint, plastic paint